What is up, guys? It's your boy Johnson Kapofi back again with another video, and in today's video we are going to talk about four reasons why you're wasting time. Now guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe and like this video already, because it's gonna be very motivational and also inform you guys on how to manage your time and all that stuff. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Right, so guys, let me just tell you guys something real quick. Time is fast for those who are scared. Time is slow for those who want. Time is short for those who celebrate. And time is long for those who are sad. But time is eternal only to those who love. Now guys, time is a very valuable thing. More valuable than money. Time is like an airplane. It flies. But guys, an airplane has a pilot, so you are the pilot to your time. If you do not prioritize your time, then I'm sorry man, you're just gonna end up wasting time. Now guys, those are some smart words from Shetty, something like that. That's his name. I'm gonna link a very motivational video in the description if you wanna watch it. Please just go watch it. It's gonna change you if you are someone that wastes time. If you waste time, watch that video. Now guys, speaking about time, we're gonna go to the first reason why you waste time, and that's probably your morning routine. Now some people wake up in the morning and be like, you get out of bed, you go to the fridge, right to the fridge man, and you take out a big chicken, you start eating your chicken, your meat. You go straight to the TV, you go watch some TV, maybe even play video games in the morning, maybe even watch a movie in the morning. Basically doing stuff that are not beneficial in the morning. Now guys, I find it that, guys, these are all things that are based on what I do, also like what's going on with me and also in my life. I also do some of these things, guys. So like, if you have a great proper morning routine, then I guarantee you, you're not gonna waste time. If you just wake up, go to the bathroom, take a piss, brush your teeth. After brushing your teeth, go take a cold shower. After a cold shower, just go on with your day. If you have a great morning routine, I guarantee you 100% you're gonna have a great time, not wasting time. And that's the number one reason why you're wasting time.
You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting in the open breeze. Suddenly, the wind blows you away from me. Now I see.
Right, so guys, so sorry for the wind. I know it's windy right now, but I'm trying my best to give you guys the best audio as possible, and I probably retook this part like a million times. So guys, the second thing why you're wasting time, the second reason why you're wasting time is probably because you're putting things that do not benefit you first. Now why I say that is that some people like to go partying first, some people like to play video games first, some people like to go have sex first, some people like to go hang out with a girlfriend first. Seriously, you shouldn't be putting those stuff first. What you should be putting first is going to school first, studying for that tomorrow's test, studying for tomorrow's test, studying for something that's actually going to benefit you, reading, watching the news. Guys, you might think watching the news is stupid, but it's actually kind of interesting, like things that are happening in life. You can even find out on TV watching the news instead of playing video games. Actually watching stuff that are actually going to benefit you. I'm not saying that watching like movies and all that. I also do that, guys. I'm not saying that it's bad to do the stuff that you want to do. I'm just saying that you shouldn't be doing them first. Do the things that benefit you first. Like, let's say for example, go through your day. First you study for the test. After studying for the test, you do something that is beneficial, like going to a gym. After you go to the gym, you come back from the gym, hang out with your friends instead of watching TV. After you're done with that, then you can think about going to partying and all that stuff, guys. Put the things that benefit you first before you do the things that you want. That's the second reason why you're wasting time. Now, the third reason as to why you're wasting time is your confidence. Your confidence level. Now, guys, you might be saying like, what does confidence have to do with wasting time? Guys, it actually has to do a lot. Like, let's say for example, you have a job interview, right? You go for a job interview, you go sit in at the office and you're waiting for your turn. You're gonna be probably sitting there and like second guessing yourself and be like, what if I don't get the job? What if he doesn't like me? What if he chased me out? What if he doesn't? All these things, you're gonna be second guessing yourself, which is gonna cause you to waste time. Which is, you're like gonna sit there, and when it's your turn to go in, you're gonna be like, oh, should I go in? Should I not go in? And then you're gonna end up not going in, which is gonna end up in you wasting time. Another example that I like saying is with a girl, approaching a girl. When you're approaching a girl, like maybe you see a girl you like, right? And then you're like, okay, let me try to approach the girl. You're gonna be first like, okay, you're walking, and then in your mind you're like, oh, what if she doesn't like me? What if I approach her and she thinks I'm weird? Stop what if, just go for it, man. Don't think about it, just go for it. Once you start second guessing yourself, it's gonna cause you to waste time, and another guy is gonna end up taking your girl, man, just for you not going up to her. Look at that, man. Just come on. That's the third reason why you're wasting time. Alright, so guys, time to wrap up the video, and the last thing you should do in order to not waste time is to be sequenced. Now basically, to be sequenced means to be in order, doing things in order, in the correct manner. Like, first do the things that benefit you first, right? After you do all the things that benefit you, like let's say throughout the day you have different types of tasks, right? Things that are going to benefit you and things that are not going to benefit you. Do the things that are going to benefit you first, and then after you are done with those, then is when you can watch now Netflix, then is when you can have sex, you can go partying, all that. Now guys, that's basically it for the video. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, and today's comment winner is, yeah, you are today's comment winner. And yeah guys, the people do not make you, you make who you are. Until the next video.